Jackpot!
Breakfast.
Whakalofa atu mākou, I'm at the B.H.C Brotherhood Charitable Trust, here with the bro Barney, who reached out, but I'll get him to explain what's happening today because he'll explain it better.
Yo, whakalofa atu, Barney here from the B.H.C Charitable Trust, and yeah, we've got our whakatūtalanga today with our Niue men coming to talk about their experiences and their memories about being Niue, and if there's any gems or any learnings from what they've picked up growing up as a Niue man that they can pass on to the next generation. And so our intention was to create a safe space for our men to come in and conversate and to share memories to their families, to whoever's here today, because our men need spaces and safe spaces to conversate and to talk, and hopefully it goes a long way to encouraging others to talk and really express what they're feeling, especially around mental health stuff, because I know it's a real big stigma, man, our men not sharing, not being able to feel safe to share. And so we wanted to do that here today for our Niue language, because three of us on our Charitable Trust committee are Niue, and so we wanted to do something that aligned with our charity, which was creating safe space for our young men to flourish and thrive. So here today to hear my brother here, John, and the rest of the fans speaking about Niue and what makes them stand in their identity in 2022. So yeah, whawhalo atu.
Tulo.
Yeah.
Just here in the waiting to speak. Pretty excited. Whiawhia ke tūtala wangahau Niue, tūtala kia tau tangata Niue. So we'll see. This is a mean spot. Here they teach leadership, the Maka leadership program. Barney was just saying they teach values for young men, or the Niue men come. Values that they can hold on to, principles, how to walk like a man, and and then they have training, martial arts training, looks like MMA training, mixed martial arts. So, hallelujah.
Following here to check out and all that kind of stuff. I don't know where people's minds go, but yeah, so it was pretty funny when we took family photos of their family dinner. People didn't really quite understand why we're hanging out with these young kids that do look like us. But yeah, so like I said, it's really fortunate to take learnings from what I learned
from our friends at Charitable Trust. I look at you, the way you move in our community with the young people, and I aspire to move the same way, and your passion and love for our history is beyond your reading of our books, your sharing of your knowledge in regards to our traditional culture is infectious and something that I hope to replicate with our other young people as well. So here's a donation from our friends at Charitable Trust.
Singa haku pat ei. Oh, ko eke ha.
Tunoi mone he o mai re maua he o hui. Tunoi mone he sinapa ke pua ke breakfast. Ke kaya ke tau rau kou nga ne. Ai, cái umu, ai đâu, vào chơi tầm ấy free market xe này phiêu ta. Ae poke tau ane ane. E sopo ake e uruika de kai ka lumpon. Kai ake takihi ko mau te tau ne po. E osi moia, hake moia ke tau se e whakakoanga COVID-19 mo lona kumitau mo e taku tāsa moa ko Isaiah ki o takuhu he Paul hake pare sapa inga he maka whawani wei iai. Kai ana hua he ahonga iai iai. Ka manatu kai whakarahi tau rauko, ke marolo e tau sino.
Ako.
Kai whakalahi po ke tau kua he whanua, ne longa e tau lanu ke. Ke marolo e tau sino wani. Ki manatu ke pui. Ko e ngangau COVID-19, hae e ni ko te he kaha he ui he ki te purotu ko taha po ki te kaha hoko ngangau mai ni he COVID-19. I loa nga rama tonu ko hingoa he virus ia, he moko ia.
The virus.
Ko?
Omicron. E ilo au.
Ai ka?
Ilo au ke kai whakimitaki. Si ma pui au.
Ai, tu kai ka hai tau. Homona he tau inau tau aniani niwe. Kai behe haka tau hau. Mua hake ngai ne aniani niwe haka tau. Ngona e mania he aniani niwe. Aniani pālangi e manoni kai hoko ke aniani haka tau. Fue ki, e tau taha e manoni. Hai a pihe nga hoe hane, pina ki o taku. Ki koe tunu ne kai ko maua mo John. Laka mo kai bumpon. Hai a orang dong hai. Osi dong. Hai. Mẹ đây đâu. Họ còn chui cho bay free market kiểu sao đây nha. Đấy.
Oh, jackpot.
Breakfast mau một chót đấy. Tay mau hiểu biết á.
Hiểu.
Oh, shit, what's this for you? Vậy ha?
I think it felt. Ooh. Whakaalo whatu mākou. Welcome back. Just smashed my kai pongi pongi with the matofafine. Had the fish, uluika supo and the greens. So I've eaten the right food. Now it's time to hit the gym.
I see the ice cream store.
No, it's not healthy, son. It's gonna hurt your teeth. So I'm off to the gym now. Gonna use that fuel that I've eaten.
Get my money.
No, go ask your mum. They talk to your mum.
Can I get my money?
Yeah, gonna go to the gym now, pump some weights, get it in, and then yeah, someone's just around the corner now. The body's looking sino leke leke. Not leka leka. I've been saying leka leka, but I'm meant to be saying leke leke. So I'm off to get some sino leke leke, and then I'll be back. We'll let you know how it goes. Oh yeah, to Philadelphia. Whakaalo whatu mākou. O si te e whawhau sino. Maua te lali au ke maua e sino leke leke. I just finished the gym. Got home. Still trying to get that physique for summer. It's aho ua today. It's a Tuesday. And I'm just listening to Uncle Fa'ama and Uncle Inga on Radio 531 PI. So if you're in New Zealand, tune in to 531 PI. But yeah, whiawhiao, osi te. Hope you enjoyed that video. Ua nimo ke like, comment, subscribe. Ko Philadelphia.